extremely important.
As health leaders around the state prepare for vaccination phases 1B and 1C, State Senate President Bill Ferguson is criticizing the Hogan administration's vaccine rollout.
At the end of the day, we need to know what's kept all vaccines from being used this week and every week, and what we're doing to get them administered safely and efficiently.
Ferguson claims fellow senators from around the state have been fielding calls from confused seniors about when and how to get a vaccine, referring to a website rolled out by the state health department last week.
Right now, an adult in Maryland over the age of 75 has to search and navigate dozens of vaccination sites, potentially signing up separately for each one of those sites. This is simply unacceptable.
So in light of these claims, Ferguson is forming a bipartisan vaccination oversight work group that will meet weekly and keep on top of four main issues, including, are Marylanders being vaccinated efficiently? Is the supply chain working? Does demand exceed supply? And will there be enough access in minority communities? The governor's office fired back, saying in a statement, quote, "Not once in the last month, not once has President Ferguson put a single thing on social media to help our medical experts promote vaccine confidence. What kind of message does that send when we're trying to get more shots into arms?"
As of today, more people in Baltimore County have been vaccinated than in any other jurisdiction across Maryland.
In Baltimore County, Executive Johnny Olszewski says an online portal set up last Friday has already gotten more than 72,000 registrations, but they're having the same issues as folks in neighboring Howard County, limited amounts of vaccine.
As the governor said last week, not everybody is going to get an appointment until we have enough vaccines, and we currently do not have enough vaccine.
Now, the governor's office also told us that the federal government is only giving Maryland 10,000 doses per day for the more than 1.5 million people that actually need the vaccine, which they say is the reason for folks not getting those appointments faster. They also say that Maryland is doing better as far as vaccinations are concerned than 32 other states around the country. As far as the Oversight Committee is concerned, their first meeting is scheduled for next week. We're live in Timonium tonight. I'm Lowell Melser, WBAL TV 11 News.
All right, Lowell, thank you very much. Meanwhile, to help with Anne Arundel County's vaccination efforts starting today, Live Casino will host a vaccination clinic for the next several months. The clinic will vaccinate about 100 people per hour at 4 designated stations. Vaccinations are available by appointment only, Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. until 4 p.m. You can schedule your appointment on the county's health website if you are eligible.